风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Welcome back to another edition of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。
干嘛？
我想说，这个月都在教心情嘛，今天教大家怎么说可怕好了。
电影讲，
电影讲 ，OK， 有什么状况会可怕呢？比如说看恐怖片啦，
上台演讲，
是哦。好，我们来教这个好了。我觉得上台演讲好可怕。
爱吃豆，
爱吃豆，
上台演讲，
上台演讲，
懂电影讲，
懂电影讲。I feel frightened when I go on stage to deliver a speech. OK， 然后我刚刚讲另外一个大家公认的，好可怕，这部恐怖片吓到我了。That's frightening. This horror film is scaring me.
懂电影讲哦，
懂电影讲哦，
要出恐怖样片，
要出恐怖样片，
吓到爱咧，
吓到爱咧。All right, let's review some of the terms such as going on stage for a speech, 上台演讲，
上台演讲，
上台演讲 and then 吓到我 scaring me,
吓到爱咧，
吓到爱咧。And finally, this edition is about being frightened, 可怕，
电影讲，
电影讲。And there you have it. It's another round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什么大家？
安子 say 张软了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.